Here's a BMW E90 M3 with the S65 engine in for rod bearings using the ACL Race Redish custom mix set with the HHX blend. Just run through all of those, including new genuine BMW bolts, and carrying out the plastic gauge measurement process, which is this pink item here. All clearance is measured at 0.05, which is wonderful. But look at these old bearings that have just come out. It's a 2009 model, 68,000 miles, original bearings, 088, 089 part numbers on them. Horrific wear on cylinders 2, 4, 6 and 7 on the uppers, and contraction. Look at the bearings, we've laid them out all at the top line matching. The cylinders 4, 6 and 7 have all contracted. Narrow points there, there and there. We've got many stages of wear. We've got the lead being exposed in the bearing on these lower ones, and then when you go through lead you expose the copper, which is the last sacrificial bearing layer before the bearing starts breaking up and delaminating.